Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time watching, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'll give you a few seconds to do that. Please ignore Ken in the background. He's looking at himself in the mirror as usual. Nothing new there. Funny story, he actually got written up at his old job because they thought he was in the fitting room looking at his phone. But in reality, if you know Ken, you know he was just looking at himself in the mirror because that's who he is. Leave a heart emoji down below if you can relate to that story. As I told you guys in my last video, while I was in Texas, I received a lot of PR packages. So this is my first PR package from this brand. While I was, like, right before I went to Texas, I actually got added to WetNWild's PR list through Instagram. And I'm so excited because it's kind of a big deal. I feel like this is maybe the 6th brand that has added me PR packages, and it's like a big brand, you know? Like, I feel like nothing outsells more than WetNWild because it's affordable, it's good quality. I have no complaints about it. I love their photo focus foundation. I love their highlight that everybody was raving about, and it's literally $99. Like, I cannot complain. It's literally one of my favorite brands from the drugstore because not only is it affordable, but so needless to say, they sent me their new pump collection in this beautiful little tote bag. I'm so sad that I did not get this before I went to Texas because this would have been such a cute little carry-on, and I would have had all my cute little stuff in there, and it's see-through. It's so cute. Literally living for this packaging. I think you guys can actually purchase the influencer set for $125. Like I said, they sent it to me for free. So yeah. So today we are doing, I want to say an unboxing video, but I definitely already took it out of the box, but definitely doing like a little unveiling or a little I don't know what you would call this. I'm taking it out of the tote bag. So the little tote or duffel bag is made out of PVC. It says so in the little tag inside. I didn't know what to call it. It's cute. So opening it up, there is a little middle section in there with some goodies. So I'm gonna draw those out first. They gave me a little WetNWild pump. Love, is it Cassie? This is cute. I'm gonna keep all my water in there, stay hydrated throughout the day. Everybody knows the key to beauty is to stay hydrated. And then there's also the little strap so I can wear my little duffel bag on my shoulder. I think that's super cute. Also in here is a little towel for when you go work out. It says, train like a beast, look like a beauty. I think we can all relate to this. I know that when I wake up, I look like a beast, and when I put my makeup on, I look like a beauty. Okay, so WetNWild Pump. So glam up your workout routine, introducing the new WetNWild Pump collection, our very first beauty line. Like ATH, like athlete beauty line. Created to take you from beast mode to beauty mood in no time. From amping up your beauty regimen before the gym to leaving the gym glowing, this full circuit collection is complete with over 30 portable, customizable, long-lasting products that includes everything you need to be serving a beautiful look rep after rep. Did we mention it is also Fitness Pro approved by Cassie Blogalite, like blog and Pilates put together. Blogalite. I could be saying this all wrong and I could be totally butchering it. I'm so sorry. And her dog, Sir George. Sir George, a dog, approved this. So I want it. I have it. So with the makeup, everything is pretty affordable. The eyeshadow is $4.99. I'm trying to see like what the, okay, so the cheapest thing is going to be $1.99. The most expensive product in here is gonna be $8.99. I'm down. So obviously you guys see all this, and then this is gonna be the bulkier thing. So let's start here because it has less product. So first things first is the WetNWild Face and Body Cleansing Wipe. Looks pretty dope. I'm actually gonna open one just to see what it feels like. Oh, they smell so nice. You know what it smells like? It smells like, oh bitch, I'm Mexican, so I like the smell. It smells like Vicks. You know, like when you're sick and your grandma's like, put some Vicks. It smells like Vicks. Does it smell like Vicks to you? And then throw it back when you're done. I'm asking Ken.
Yeah.
Wow, they're really big. Okay, so first impressions of the wipe. Really big, they're really wet. I find that a lot of times drugstore makeup wipes, like not the expensive ones like the $8 kind, but like I think who has some really okay-ish makeup wipes. Like I'm not a big fan. I think Almay, I love Almay. I used to buy their makeup wipes, they just weren't amazing. I think even Equate. Right now I'm using Equate because I took these from my mom before I came back from Texas. They're good, they're just not really wet, and I like my makeup wipe to be nice and soaked. That way that it'll remove the makeup better because it has more product on it. These are nice and soaked. So already, I can't wait to remove my makeup after this using this wipe, I'm just saying. Okay, so there's a dry shampoo in here. I think that's cool. I love when makeup brands like, you know, like trickle into other beauty products. So this is pretty dope. Dry shampoo. I don't really use dry shampoo, so we'll see. There's also a facial cleansing oil. That's pretty neat. I think that a lot of brands don't have like cleansing products or skincare. So it's pretty dope that Wet n Wild has a cleansing oil now. Also has a refreshing hair mist. That's pretty dope. I'm not sure what this does. Okay, so it gives fragrance and shine. That's pretty neat because I love a good, so like right now I use the Dry Bar dry conditioner because I love the smell of it. It makes my hair softer, sure, but really it's the smell. Let's see, I'm gonna spray this on my hand. Okay, it's not a fine mist. Smells nice. Really explain to you what it smells like, but it's pretty. It's not as intense as a Dry Bar, but it's a nice smell. And then this is a cooling face and body mist. That's pretty dope because obviously after the gym, you want to smell good and you want, okay, I'm gonna spritz this on my skin. What are you doing? So Ken is literally crawling on the floor. You see his little butt right there, the little blue next to me? That's him. So Ken is in his chones and he just tried to sneak behind us, but y'all saw his. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my face with this. Very refreshing. Very cooling. It smells like shampoo. I don't know how I feel about that. You get out the gym, you got your face on, your face is beat, you've been sweating up a storm, and then you do this and you smell like soap. I like it. So it is a glitter mask. So this is the Tone Brightening Glitter Mask. I love me a good glitter mask, partly because I'm a influencer, so I love being able to take a cute ass photo on Instagram looking hella cute in my mask. So this also has little glitter stars in it, so I'm already like, eh. But I will say that the other glitter is round shaped, so it's not gonna like cut up your face. It smells good. Okay, so I'm excited about that. I'm gonna give that a try. And then there's a purifying glitter mask. Okay, so that's dope. So you get your brightening and you get your purifying. Okay, it doesn't say like what like the main ingredient might be other than it brightens your skin. Let me look at the ingredient. Water. Okay, it does have fragrance. So okay, so the glitter mask is like $8.99. It's pretty affordable. I'm not expecting any like high grade quality ingredients. I think it's gonna get the job done. Overall, this is pretty great. This one is going to be more of a charcoal color. It is darker. It still has the glitter in it. It looks pretty cute. I like the packaging. It's not like chic with like, you know, like high-end brands, but I like the packaging because it's very, and then we got cleansing balls. Okay, so every time you use this as a cleanser, you take one of the little balls in there and then it turns into a cleanser. So that's pretty cool. I think this is great for on the go, especially like say you're going to the gym, you put it in your little gym bag and you're good to go. I'm liking the idea of the products. Again, I'm not speaking as far as the quality because obviously I would have to try them out, see if they're working. If you want to see any, like me review any product in particular, like very specifically, let me know down below and I'll be sure to do that. Okay, so each palette has the correct and conceal. So you get a bunch of these color correcting cream concealers basically, and then you get your blush, you get 2 highlighters, and then you get 3 eyeshadows. So you get a little bit of everything in these palettes. I'm not gonna go too in depth with them. I'm just going to see how pigmented they are. They're a little chalky. They are pigmented though. I'm not saying you can't make them work though. So the matte shades are a little chalky. As you can see, they're a little patchy. However, the shimmer shade, amazing. Look at that. Let me tilt my hand a little bit. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Just beautiful. Obsessed. It's really just a dark matte shade that's a little patchy, but could just be the way I swatched it. I like that they're pigmented. So obviously it comes in 2 shades. I'm definitely liking this one more. There's no real matte shades, all the shades in between. This one's a satin finish and then you got 2 shimmer shades. Really pretty. Let me look at the highlight. The highlight is really pretty, but I will say that I think the eyeshadow. Okay, so the eyeshadow is right here. You see that highlight and then right next to it is the highlight and you can't even see it on camera. You can see the eyeshadow though. I think the eyeshadow is going to be your best bet as far as a highlight, which is the middle shade, because these 2 are highlights. They're not as pigmented. I would rather use these as eyeshadows and use the really pigmented one as a highlight, especially coming out of the gym because I could keep it neutral but keep my highlight popping. So next we have all these bad boys. Okay, so we get blotting papers in here. That's cute. I actually just ran out of blotting paper, so this will be good. I'll probably be using those. The next thing in here is sweat-proof, waterproof eyeshadow sticks. That is pretty dope to me. I'm already excited. I'm just gonna swatch like maybe like 2 of them. Again, like what I did with the CoverGirl, I'm probably going to do a full face using only these products to give you a more in-depth review and first impressions, but I'm gonna swatch this purple color and this gold color. So the purple one is called, doesn't say. Okay, like at some point it had a name, but then I got, oh, just kidding. Okay, it's called Fave Legging. So it's this beautiful purple color. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand. It's pretty. It's kind of like a metallic sheen to it. So what I would do is I would use it as an eyeshadow base and then go on top of it and, you know, add some dimension to it with maybe like a deeper color. That's a pretty copper shade. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's beautiful. That is definitely something I would just put all over my eyelid. There's 6 colors. I think they retail for $4.99, so that's pretty affordable in comparison. In my mind, the only thing that I would compare to this is maybe the Laura Mercier eyeshadow sticks, and those are one of my favorites. So this is more of a rose gold tone. That's also really pretty. I'm gonna put it down here because apparently that looks better on camera. Just really pretty colors. Definitely excited to use those in a video. I am running out of like storage for my makeup. So next thing, the first thing I thought was weird is it says like connector. So apparently you put the sticks in there. So the next thing in here is actually like a little bit of everything. So they're like blush sticks, balm sticks. So the balm sticks are gonna be lip balms and then blemish stick, primer stick, etc. So this is gonna be the primer stick. So it's a primer. And then there's a cooling moisture stick. So it's gonna give you moisture, and then a toner stick. So these are actually a lot smaller, but in my mind, they remind me of the Milk makeup sticks. They have a lot of sticks. They do different stuff. There's a mattifying stick as well as a blemish stick. So then what you would do is you take off the cap and then you would put it in here to keep it safe. And then while you're at the gym, you have, you know, you got your option. So I'm not gonna go into, actually I wanna go into the moisture stick. I'm not gonna lie, like there's no way I can just hold off on trying that out on my hand. I just gotta be able to open it. So their products are really small and I have really big finger, so it's really hard for me to open them up. So again, looks like this. I'm gonna take off the cap, brand new. Gonna take it up and then I'm just gonna put it on my wrist here. Oh yeah, definitely cooling. Doesn't smell like anything, but it gives the skin a nice cooling sensation and it definitely feels more hydrated. So like I said, you would take that and you would just stick it in the connector and bam, you're good to go. Just make sure you don't lose the cap, otherwise you're screwed if you ever want to change it out. So the lip balms are basically just like little lip balms, and the blush stick. The blush stick, they're all the same size. They're little tubes. They're so cute. I think these retail for $3.99, so they're really affordable, guys. Like, keep in mind, the sticks from Milk Makeup cost like $30. So I'm just gonna take this. This is the blush stick. I'm just gonna put it right, and then I'm gonna take my finger and blend that. Oh, very creamy. I like it. I like it a lot because it really blends out. I thought I was gonna have a hard time blending that out, but it's just very pretty. I think this is great for on the go. I can definitely can see myself like, well, not myself because I don't really wear this much makeup at the gym, but I can definitely see myself like if I were a woman and I'm going to the gym and then I got work or I gotta go grocery shopping afterwards, definitely see myself putting on some makeup right afterwards, just quick and easy. I don't know if I would go through the whole steps of foundation and everything, but I would definitely, you know, do like a little gloss and definitely grab one of these little cheek blushes, put it on and give my skin a little bit of color, a little flush. And then next thing on here, I have 6 different little foundations. The deepest shade is not that deep, so I know a lot of you guys are gonna say that's a problem. All I'm gonna say is that it could just be that it's more of a tinted moisturizer. So what you might not know is that tinted moisturizers tend to only be limited shades just because it blends out and definitely adapts to skin tone. That could be why there's only 6 shades. If it's a full coverage foundation, then obviously you need the most shades. Like if it's a sheer coverage foundation, like a BB cream or something, you tend to be able to use 3 different shades because it's so sheer and so minimal. It won't actually change your skin tone. It'll just help hide certain things. Okay, so it is a BB cream, like I said. So again, 6 shades for a BB cream makes sense. I'm gonna go into my shade rope. I'm not really gonna do a full review. If you wanna see a full review, let me know down below and I'll definitely do that. But you do get a concealer, you get a highlighter shade up top. This kind of reminds me of the Stila packaging of their foundation. I'm gonna go into the highlight and just blend that out. Really pretty, very natural. This isn't gonna give you like an Anastasia glow, but it's gonna give you the right amount. And then when you open up the bottom, it's the foundation and it has the same applicator as their Photo Focus foundation. This shade looks a little light for me, but because it's a BB cream, I'm just gonna assume that it's gonna blend out. Other than that, guys, that concludes today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications so you can always know when I'm gonna be uploading a video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, guys, DGAFpanda out.